Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, the Tadka Project. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite sides, a South Indian spiced potato curry flavored with scallions. We make this so often in my family because of how simple and delicious it is. So let's get cooking. For the dish, here I have 7 to 8 medium yellow potatoes. You can use 4 to 5 large potatoes instead. 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon urad dal or white lentils, a pinch of hing or asafoetida, 10 to 15 curry leaves, 3 stalks of green onion or scallions with the whites, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of sambar powder. You can find this at any Indian grocery store or online, and 2 teaspoons of besan or gram flour. This is completely optional. As you can see, I've also cut my potatoes into quarters like this. We don't want it to be too small or too large, and I found that quartering small potatoes works best. And once peeled and chopped, I'm just going to soak it in some cold water so it doesn't brown. To start, I'm going to peel the potatoes and boil them for 12 to 15 minutes. We don't want the potatoes to go to mush. I like to stop boiling it till it's almost done and not fully cooked through, because we cook the potatoes in the pan with all the spices later. So keep an eye on your potatoes once it hits the 12-minute mark. Once the potatoes have boiled to my liking, I'm just going to strain them and set this aside. While the potatoes are boiling, I'm also going to chop my scallions and separate the whites and the greens. Here I have a pan on medium-high heat. Once the pan is hot, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of refined coconut oil. I'm using refined oil because it has a higher smoke point than unrefined coconut oil. To this, I'm going to add the mustard seeds and wait for it to splutter. Once the mustard seeds splutter, I'm going to add the hing and the urad dal. I'm also going to add in the curry leaves and cook till the lentils turn to a reddish brown color and the curry leaves get all toasty, and this should take around 1 to 2 minutes on medium-high heat. Now that my lentils look perfect, I'm going to add in the whites of the scallions. I'm also going to add in the harder light green parts with this. I'm going to salt this to speed up the cooking process and cook this for 2 minutes. We only want to cook it till this wilts, and it doesn't take that much time. It's been 2 minutes, and I'm going to add in the turmeric powder, and I'm going to cook all of this for 30 seconds to get rid of that raw turmeric smell. And to this, I'm going to add in the boiled potatoes, mix this really well, and cook for 2 more minutes. After the 2-minute mark, I'm going to add in the sambar powder. I like to add 1 more tablespoon of unrefined coconut oil so the spices cook through really well. Once again, we just want to mix everything really well. I'm also going to salt the dish to taste at this point. And once mixed, I'm going to reduce the heat to medium-low, cover the pan with the lid, and let the potatoes roast for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes, and as you can see, the potatoes have an amazing color and have gotten really crispy and delicious on the bottom. I like to add 2 teaspoons of besan or gram flour towards the end to coat the potatoes with a really delicious roasted nutty flavor. We only need to cook this for a minute or so. This is an optional step, and it's just something I learned from my grandma, and it makes eating the non-potato part of this dish so yummy. At this point, I'm going to add in the greens of the scallions and just give this a nice quick mix. I'm also going to reserve some of the greens for a garnish later. This is a great side for chapatis, rice and dal, or a classic South Indian gravy like rasam or sambar. Before serving, I like to drizzle a teaspoon of unrefined organic coconut oil for that authentic South Indian flavor. Please let me know if you enjoyed this video and if you make this dish in the comments below. And please like and subscribe because I come out with new videos every Sunday. And I'll see you next time with another recipe. Bye!